Ooh, I'm just getting ready for Christmas. All good here. Lay it down. Leg of lamb. I've made some stuffing. In here, it's about a cupful of breadcrumbs. A generous tablespoon of whole grain mustard. Some fresh rosemary. Some fresh thyme. Now, that much of each. Bit of sweet paprika. 4 or 5 heads of garlic. Pieces of garlic. And an onion. Just mixed it all up. Threw in a bit of boiling water. And a little bit of butter. A good amount of salt and pepper. And it's going to go in here. But you can't get it in here until you get this bone out. Now I'm not great at this. I'm the first to admit. But I want to get it out anyway. Okay, so I've managed to get the bone out. As you can see, it's called butterfly, and you can kind of see why. Yeah. There's the bone. I haven't done a good job. Please, if you're a butcher, don't tell me off. Yeah. But yeah, the bone, all these trimmings. It's a dog. That's going to be very grateful for them tomorrow. So now I'm just going to take all of this, put it in here. Make sure I get it into all of these gaps. Shove it really well in. Roll it back up. And we're done. Alright. Well, boned, stuffed, trussed. Yeah? String's just round, loop, round a loop, round a loop, round a loop. Underneath, tied up at the end. Bit of the stuffing is left. I'm just going to wrap the foil. Going to wrap it up, hold it tight, stick it in the tray with these. The extra bits of herbs that I didn't need in there. I'll put some water in the bottom. Foil over the whole lot, nice and tight, and then we'll cook this tomorrow. Meanwhile, let's make some mince pies. Perfect for Christmas. Just 2 dozen. Meat roasted for 3 hours, including an hour without the lid. And then, as you can see, there's gravy down the bottom. Roast potatoes, an absolute must. And once the meat was out, allowed to rest, and then pulled apart, and this wonderful pulled lamb. Thank you very much. Please hit like, subscribe, and turn that bell on. Thank you. Bye.